we would like to represent you our latest model of Edgebanders from NikMann Machinery in Europe. This is our compact Edgebander, which is reliable, small on size, suitable for people and businesses with a small space inside. Also, the Edgebander can be equipped with one of our dust extractor, so you can have both of them. The controller is very simple controller, touchscreen, and very friendly to use it. As you can see, you've got the temperature on the top and you can choose which unit to use. Also, the alarm system is very friendly, so it's telling you exactly what is happening with the machine and what is wrong with the machine. Also, for your convenience, you have a counter, and that counter is counting how much tape did you use in the last job or so. The machine is very easy to operate: start, stop button, emergency button, manual lifting on a beam, also support. That support could come with adjustable support or permanently locked support. A big massive table to support your tape. Also inside we've got a Teflon glue pot, which is made from about 2 kilograms of glue, and also it's easy to clean it up. Standard guillotine, 3 pressure rollers, feed track, sensor for the infeed. Inside the machine we've got 2 end saws, front and back. Also we've got a fine trimmers, top and bottom, easy to adjust counters from 1 mil to 2 mil. Also the machine is suitable for, can be equipped with a hinge hole kit, so if you're using doors, you will be safe. Top and bottom glue scrapers and buffers. Also you can have a round scraper on a request. Italian motors, Italian gearboxes, made in Europe, high quality. Inside you've got a light, so it's easy to see what you're doing when you open the cover. Simply the best.